LED headlights have transformed nighttime visibility and safety for cheap Wrangler JK owners. The JK platform spans multiple generations, 2007 to 2018, and compatible headlight options must balance beam pattern, lumens, durability, and plug-and-play fitment. In this review, I tested 5 7-inch round LED headlight kits across price and feature.
List number 1. HW Star Pair New 100% Bright Anti-Glare 7-inch LED. HW Star's pair of 7-inch round LED headlights target JK/JKU/TJ/LJ and several 6014-6024 replacement applications. They emphasize a high lumen output, 160 watt, 10,000 lumen high/7,000 lumen low, with anti-glare design and a robust IP67 rated heat dissipating sealed beam construction. The kit includes direct replacement capability with DOT/SAE approval, aiming at brand new brightness with a familiar form factor and a plug-and-play ethos. The weight at 6 pounds per pair suggests a sturdy build, and the housing is described as all black with polycarbonate lenses. Prospective buyers should note the product's emphasis on beam pattern optimization, a Z-shaped cutoff, and long-term lumen maintenance via anti-aging circuits. In practice, the HW Star pair delivers strong night visibility with a pronounced high beam intensity, aided by effective heat dissipation that helps prevent lumen depreciation over time. The anti-glare feature reduces blinding of oncoming traffic, which is a common concern with aftermarket LEDs. Fitment is straightforward for vehicles originally using 7-inch round headlights, but some JK/JKU configurations, or those with existing LED OEM units, may require bracketing or minor wiring checks. The customer support and warranty channel through the seller is a point to consider for post-purchase satisfaction.
List number 2. LX Light 1000% Bright 7-inch LED headlights anti-glare. LX Light offers a budget-conscious, plug-and-play 7-inch LED solution with 10,000 LM high, 7,000 LM low, built-in EMC hardening to curb flicker, and DOT, SAE plus E-Mark approvals. With included H4 and H13 adapters and a stated 20-minute installation window, this kit is positioned for straightforward upgrading without special tools. The 6000K color temperature is a neutral daylight white suitable for daily driving, and the IP67 rating promises weather resilience. The kit is designed to cover a broad compatibility range, including CJ, TJ, JK, and JL families, plus several non-Wrangler platforms, which adds versatility for multi-vehicle households. Performance-wise, LX Light emphasizes reliability with a 6000K color temperature and a claimed 80,000-plus hour lifespan. In testing, brightness was strong for the price bracket, and the anti-flicker feature helped prevent CAN bus-related issues in various installations. The package includes 2 headlights and adapters, but some users may still need bracket adjustments when mounting on JK-JL hybrids or when used on vehicles outside the core JK range. For example, JL without bracket B07YK-HYB5. The lenses are polycarbonate with black housings, contributing to a clean aesthetic behind a standard 7-inch bucket.
List number 3. X-Bright 7-inch LED round headlights compatible with 1997. X-Bright 7-inch round headlights bring a halo ring aesthetic coupled with a high-low sealed beam designed for broad compatibility across Jeep generations as well as Humvee and Hummer variants. Output is listed at 3,000 lumen low by 6,000 lumen high with a 6000K color temperature and a lifespan exceeding 90,000 hours. The housing is die-cast aluminum with a PC lens, reinforcing durability and moisture resistance, IP67. The kit ships with H4/H13 adapters and emphasizes a plug-and-play experience, although 2017-2018 JKs with OEM LED might require an additional mounting bracket sold separately. In practice, the X-Bright headlights deliver strong highway and city driving visibility due to a bright high beam and a crisp low beam. The die-cast aluminum housing helps with heat dissipation, maintaining brightness over longer drives. The Halo Ring and Halo On Start features can enhance visibility and vehicle presence, yet some users might find the Halo Ring less necessary if they prefer a more understated look. The requirement for a bracket on certain JK trims adds a potential installation consideration.
List number 4. HW Star New 1000% Bright Anti-Glare 7-inch LED. This HW Star premium offering ups the ante with Starry DRL, Startup Gradient Halo, and amber turn signals integrated into a 7-inch round LED headlight. Rated at 150 watts and 16,000 LM high, 8,000 LM low, it emphasizes a dazzling halo effect and a comprehensive DOT and safety complete code, including the E-Mark registration. The heavy-duty 5.05 pounds per pair construction suggests a solid, high-end build with advanced heat management and anti-glare design. It is positioned as a direct replacement for 6014, 6015, 6016, and H6024 variants with broad vehicle compatibility. In real-world use, the Startup Gradient Starry Halo can enhance visibility at startup and during low ambient lighting conditions, while the white DRL and amber turn signals provide clear signaling cues. The beam pattern remains a priority with a Z-shaped cutoff, reducing glare for oncoming drivers. Fitment remains straightforward for most 7-inch headlight buckets, but as with other HW Star products, some JK/JKU variants may require brackets or minor wiring checks. The premium price is justified for those seeking show-stopping aesthetics and top-tier brightness, along with strong waterproofing and longevity claims.
List number 5. Unishine Black 2 pieces 7-inch LED headlight round DOT. Unishine presents a budget-friendly 2-pack 7-inch LED headlight option with DOT approval and integrated DRL and turn signal functionality. The kit emphasizes universal fitment across a wide range of vehicles: JK, TJ, CJ, Miata, Chevy S3, H1, H2, and includes 2 H4, H13 adapters plus wiring extensions, which broadens installation flexibility for mixed vehicle fleets or non-standard buckets. The lenses are clear with black bezels, and the overall weight is light, approximately 2 pounds per unit, pointing to a more basic construction relative to premium offerings. In use, these Unishine headlights deliver reliable illumination suitable for daily driving and basic night visibility. The heat dissipation is bolstered by aluminum heat sinks and silicon gel, helping to extend lifespan beyond standard halogen equivalent replacements. The universal fit means some users may encounter bracket or harness mismatches on JK/JL variants or non-Wrangler platforms. However, the included adapters help minimize this friction. The value proposition is clear for budget-conscious buyers who want a 2-pack solution without sacrificing DOT compliance.